At some point in this video, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so stick to the end, but don't click to the end because it might not be at the end. Just watch with me, okay? More ways to make more money. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, please do well to hit that subscribe button and subscribe so that you can get notified whenever I release another new video. Alright guys, let's dive right into the video. More ways to make more money. Now, the first thing and the first way to make more money is to learn. Learn what? A new skill. Now, without skills you can't make money. Without knowledge you can't make money. In this digital age, you need to start looking out for things you can learn that would actually start generating cool money for you. So you need to learn a skill. The first way, the first step to take to make more money in this digital age is to learn a skill. Now, there are 5 hot skills I would advise you to go for or to go after. The first is graphic design. A lot of persons online are diving into graphic design. Is the new the most sought after digital skill so far. All right, a lot of young persons are diving into graphic design. Our world or the social media is now governed by what we see, the pictures, the videos and all that. So presentation matters now. People are trying to actually redefine what presentation is. They're actually trying to change the narrative of pictures, of videos with graphics. All right, so graphic design is the end thing. If you want to start or if you want to learn a new skill, I would advise you choose graphic design. But then there are other hot skills you can choose from. The second is the 3D video animation, which is also very sought after because a lot of people are actually looking out to use 3D animation videos to actually promote their brands, promote their product, promote their services, and it actually generates results and leads for those persons. The third is the YouTube. Okay, YouTube can actually make you a whole lot of money. So you can go ahead and learn YouTube. All right, now the next is web design. Web designing is also one of the crazy skills you can learn, and it will start giving you cool money. All right, and the next but not the least is the ebook monetization, which is the simplest on the list. With this skill you can make money while you sleep. All right, you can make money while you sleep. All you just need to do is to create your ebook, set it up on automation for sales on seller.com or what have you. Then you start making money while you sleep. But then I want to show you the very blueprint I use to do this. Now, the top here says skill. Now, once you've learned the skill, once you've learned the particular skill, be it graphic design, web design, whatever, okay, the next thing you want to do is to monetize. All right, the next thing you want to do is to monetize. Why are we learning a skill if we can't or if we don't look forward to monetizing it? Come on, we are learning a skill to monetize it, not to just have the skill and do nothing with it. Okay, so the next thing is to monetize. Once you've learned the skill, you've mastered that skill, you want to start monetizing that skill. And there are 2 big ways to monetize your skill. The first is to sell services. Okay, now probably you've learned graphic designing and you want to start monetizing. You can start pushing out your designs on your social media handles, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Instagram and what have you. Put it out there so that people can be aware that you are a graphic designer and they can actually see your work and see how good you are at it. So the very first step you need to take to monetize your skill is to start creating awareness. All right, make use of your social media handle, leverage on those social media handles and start pushing out your skill, putting it in the face of many. You can also use Facebook ads to actually portray what you do. All right, the next thing is to teach. Now you've learned the skill and you're perfecting it. You want to put this skill in a course format. You want to help other persons who want to learn that particular skill to learn it well. So what you need to do is to put it in a course format. Create a course around that skill you've learned, maybe a graphic designing course or a web designing course. Put a price tag to it and run ads on Facebook, on Instagram and WhatsApp and draw people to actually learn and pay for that skill. So it's easy guys, it's very easy. If you want to start making money from today, just pick a skill amongst these ones and start making money. Pick the skill, learn the skill, monetize following this blueprint, and you'll be smiling to the bank. All right, the giveaway is I'm going to be teaching you one of this skill for free, totally free. I'm going to be teaching you how to start your own YouTube channel for free. So click the link in the description below and join. See you next time.